Okay, today we're discussing the difference between equal, similar, and congruent. Rule number one, only numbers can be equal. So if I do 5 equals 5, ta-da, I can have x is equal to 4 as long as I say x is a number. But I cannot say that the segment AB is equal to an 8 because that thing right there is actually talking about an object. It's not talking about the distance. So if I take AB is equal to 8, that's a yes, that is a no. Now let's look at the difference between AB. So if I'm talking about from A to B is 8, and let's say 8 miles. I can't say the distance from Atlanta to Birmingham has a length of 8 miles. I say it's the distance, okay? Notice the difference between length versus distance. Okay, if I'm talking about here's Atlanta and here's Birmingham and it's 8 miles in a really small world, okay, the length of interstate between Atlanta and Birmingham is 8 miles. The length of the actual road is 8 miles. The distance between them is 8 miles. So distance doesn't matter what is actually the actual object. It just matters from point A to point B. Nice, Mr. Brown, thanks. So if I have a length, that is actual object. So that's what this thing right here is. That means an actual object. So a length cannot equal a number. That's wrong. That's an X. That's a big wrong. And that's a big right. A length cannot measure. A distance can measure a number. That's the difference between length and distance and equality. Now, let's talk about similar. Similar means the same shape, but not necessarily the same size. Not necessarily. Notice how I did that. Okay, so is that triangle similar to that triangle? Yeah, they're just not the same size. But what about that triangle and that triangle? Well, those are definitely not similar because they don't look like each other, all right? But what about that triangle and that triangle? Well, they're about the same size, they're about the same shape. They can be similar, so equality we use with that. So if I say A, B, C, D, E, F, I say that triangle A, B, C is similar to triangle D, E, F. So similarity means based on shape. Well, if I combine equality and shape, I get this word right here, which is congruency. Okay? So, can I say that AB is equal to CD? Well, sure. I can say that the distance from A to B is the same as the distance from C to D. But can I say this? Segment AB is equal to segment CD. No, I can't do that because here is AB with 8, here is CD with 8, and wait a minute, this is a segment. A segment and object can't equal. What's the only thing that's equal? Number. So an object can equal another object. So what do? Well, are they similar? Yes. So AB is similar to CD because it's an object, but it's an object that is the same size. It's similar and same in shape and same in size, so then we put equality together. So AB is now congruent to CD. That means this shape can be exactly the same as this shape. So now let me write a few things and you decide if they are the same. So can CD equal to 8? Well, a distance can equal a number, so yes. Can object CD equal to 8? No, an object can't equal a number. An object has to be an object. So can segment CD be similar to segment AB? Well, yeah, because these are objects and objects are similar, right? Okay, so can AB object be congruent to object CD? Let me think. Well, yeah, an object can be congruent to that. But wait. Can AB be congruent to CD like this? Well, no! This is a distance. This is a distance. A distance has no shape. So therefore it can't be similar to another distance. So this is incorrect. This is correct. This is correct. This is not correct. So now I hope that you understand the difference between equal, similar, and congruent.